So, here's my list. Guess what? Number 4 is gone. Finally. So let's go take a look at it. So we got the fence up. Debbie's got her stars. We finished the hatchery.
Brooder boxes.
We got the gate over here. There's her brooder boxes, so she can get her eggs. She's so happy that it's done. She's got her own little gate now. Keep the dogs out. We got this. This lifts up. So we have easy access. I'll build some little stairs for her. It opens and closes. She got her chickens inside. All right, and we'll go take a look on the inside.
Wait.
Oh.
We have a sliding door.
Yeah, so she doesn't have to go inside the chicken coop anymore. She could do it. She could do it outside of the gate or the fence at night. So she's got that all done. We're gonna follow her in the back here. This is all done here. I'll probably eventually put up a cabinet right there. I made it deep enough to put our tools. And now we got the inside. That's where they sleep.
With video camera.
Yeah. It's very nice in here. There's a video camera to watch everything that's going on. Very large inside. Got a little heat lamp for now. No feeders. We just put the box in there now because they just like the box.
Because they're still very young.
Yeah, and we got the brooder closed off so they can't get in there. There's a temperature thing to tell us exactly what's going on inside here if it gets too cold. Easy access. And all the top roof, no rain will get into it. It's raining right now. And we're gonna probably she'll probably put her chair in here and she can look back on the properties, see what's going on. And we still got this coop here, but we'll probably use that with different types of chickens, maybe the smaller ones, bannies I want. And that's it. That's all there is to it. It's very, very easy to build. This was done from an old fort. We've got our storage area underneath. Oh, it stays nice and dry. Put down some stone there. We got stone all the way around to keep the varmints out. Plus I tied wire onto the bottom. And welcome to Debbie's Little Paradise.
The egg factory.
Yeah. And little kitty don't like it. That's just too bad.
She likes it.
And the chickens are they're happy. Everything's done just right. It's tight.
They don't like being in the rain, but they're too darn stupid to go inside. Jeez.
Anyway, that was my project. It is done.